uMake features a powerful layers tool that makes working with and creating complex designs easy. Layers can be found in the side panel. Any new project starts with the default layer. To add a new layer, tap on the plus icon in the top of the Layers panel. You can make as many layers as you need. Tapping on the small arrow on the right will open up the options for that layer. You can change the opacity of a layer, assign selected objects to that layer, lock or unlock a layer, rename a layer, select all objects on that layer, or delete the layer. Swiping a layer to the right will lock the layer. No changes can be made to the layer while it is locked. Swiping to the right again will unlock the layer. Tapping and dragging on the left side of a layer will let you reorganize layers. Tapping on the blue circle on the layer will hide or show that layer. Lastly, the small black square in the right of a layer shows which layers selected objects belong to. Try creating a design using layers to get a feel for how they work, and how you can apply working with the layers to your workflow.